Windows 11 continues to evolve, and the latest to 5H to August 2026 update brings a collection of changes that make the operating system feel more polished, more intelligent, and surprisingly more useful in everyday tasks. After installing the update, I decided to enable every new feature I could find to see whether these additions actually improve the Windows experience or if they're just another round of cosmetic tweaks. What I discovered was a mix of meaningful improvements, subtle quality of life upgrades, and a few features that could change how many people use Windows every day. If you've been wondering whether Windows 11 to 5H2 is worth installing, here's everything I noticed after spending time with Microsoft's newest update. The installation itself was straightforward and faster than I expected. Microsoft has continued refining the update process, and on supported hardware, the download, installation, and restart required much less downtime than previous feature updates. Once the system booted back up, the desktop looked familiar at first glance, but after exploring the settings and enabling the newest options, it became clear that Microsoft focused heavily on making Windows smarter rather than completely redesigning it. Instead of dramatic visual overhauls, this release emphasizes productivity, performance, AI-powered assistance, security, and better integration across the operating system. One of the first things I enabled was the updated AI experience integrated throughout Windows. Rather than existing as a standalone feature, AI now appears in several areas of the operating system. Searching for files feels faster because Windows better understands natural language. Instead of remembering exact file names, you can simply describe what you're looking for, and the system often finds the correct document or image. This makes everyday work significantly easier, especially for users with thousands of files scattered across different folders. The File Explorer also receives welcome improvements. Navigation feels smoother, folder loading times appear shorter, and the search function is noticeably quicker on large drives. Microsoft has continued refining the interface by reducing unnecessary delays when opening directories filled with photos or videos. Small visual enhancements make File Explorer look cleaner while keeping the familiar layout that Windows users already know. After enabling the new options, file management felt less frustrating, especially when switching between multiple drives or network locations. Performance is another area where Windows 11 to 5H2 impressed me. Boot times remained quick, applications launched smoothly, and memory management appeared more efficient during multitasking. Running multiple browser tabs, editing documents, streaming media, and performing background downloads simultaneously caused fewer slowdowns than I experienced on previous builds. Microsoft seems to have focused on reducing unnecessary background activity, allowing the system to dedicate more resources to active applications. Gaming also benefits from several under-the-hood improvements. Although this isn't a revolutionary gaming update, optimized scheduling helps maintain smoother frame rates in supported titles. Game loading feels slightly faster on NVMe SSDs, while direct storage enhancements continue improving asset streaming for modern games. Players with newer hardware may notice reduced stuttering during demanding scenes. Combined with ongoing graphics driver improvements from hardware manufacturers, Windows remains one of the strongest gaming platforms available. Security enhancements are less visible but equally important. Windows Defender continues becoming more capable without feeling intrusive. The August 2026 update strengthens protection against phishing attacks, malicious downloads, and unauthorized application behavior. Smart App Control receives refinements that reduce false warnings while maintaining strong protection. Microsoft also continues investing in hardware-based security features, making it more difficult for malware to compromise supported systems. These improvements happen quietly in the background, but contribute significantly to overall system safety. Another feature I enabled involved better power management. Laptop users will likely appreciate these changes the most. Windows now adjusts power usage more intelligently based on workload, helping extend battery life without sacrificing responsiveness. During light productivity tasks such as web browsing, writing documents, or watching videos, the system appears to consume less energy. When demanding applications launch, Windows quickly shifts performance priorities to maintain a smooth experience. This dynamic balancing feels more natural than previous battery optimization methods. The Settings application also continues improving with each release. Microsoft has gradually moved more advanced options into the modern interface, reducing dependence on legacy control panel pages. Finding specific settings now requires fewer clicks, and the search function within Settings is much more accurate. Categories are organized more logically, making customization easier even for users unfamiliar with Windows internals. Although some legacy menus still exist, the overall experience feels much more unified. Accessibility improvements deserve recognition as well. Enhanced voice access allows more natural interaction with the operating system, while live captions continue expanding language, support, and accuracy. Magnification, contrast controls, and keyboard navigation all receive incremental improvements that make Windows more inclusive. These features don't only benefit users with disabilities, they also improve convenience for anyone who occasionally prefers voice commands or automated assistance. The taskbar receives several subtle refinements after enabling the newest options. Notifications are better organized. Quick settings respond faster, and switching between virtual desktops feels more fluid. Widgets continue evolving with additional customization possibilities, allowing users to choose information that's genuinely useful rather than simply displaying generic news. While some people still disable widgets entirely, those who use them now have more flexibility and better responsiveness. One area that surprised me was Microsoft's continued work on system stability. Throughout testing, I encountered fewer unexpected freezes or interface glitches than I remember from earlier feature releases. Applications resumed properly after sleep mode, Bluetooth devices reconnected reliably, and external monitors behaved consistently when docking and undocking laptops. These may sound like minor improvements, but reliability often matters more than flashy new features in daily use. Of course, no update is perfect. Some new features require modern hardware to function at their full potential, particularly AI-assisted capabilities. Older systems may receive only a portion of the improvements, while unsupported hardware remains excluded from certain experiences. Additionally, some interface changes may require a short adjustment period for long-time Windows users. However, these drawbacks don't significantly overshadow the overall quality of the update. For productivity users, Windows 11 to 5H2 feels noticeably more refined. Whether you're writing documents, editing photos, attending online meetings, programming software, or managing multiple projects, the operating system generally stays responsive while reducing friction throughout common workflows. Small improvements accumulate over time, creating an experience that feels smoother without demanding major changes to established habits. After enabling every major feature I could access, my overall impression is positive. This isn't the kind of update that completely reinvents Windows overnight, but it's exactly the type of release many users have been asking for. Instead of focusing entirely on dramatic redesigns, Microsoft concentrated on speed, intelligence, security, efficiency, and reliability. Those improvements may not always be obvious during the first few minutes, but they become increasingly noticeable after several days of regular use. If you're already running Windows 11 on supported hardware, the August 2026 to 5H2 update is likely worth installing once it becomes available for your device. The combination of smarter search, refined AI integration, better performance, stronger security, improved battery management, enhanced accessibility, smoother multitasking, and continued system polish creates an operating system that feels more mature than ever before. While Windows still has room to grow, this update demonstrates that Microsoft is focusing on meaningful improvements rather than unnecessary changes. After enabling these new features and spending time exploring them, it's clear that Windows 11 to 5H2 is another solid step forward, making everyday computing faster, simpler, and more enjoyable for millions of users.